Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to PossiBOLD. I appreciate you guys, everything that you guys have been commenting, saying, all the views. I've already had over 100 followers in just 5 days on different platforms, so I really just want to say thank you to everybody. I know I said it in my last video, but it's just every single day I'm overwhelmed. Everything's going well. I got my 2 jobs. I work at one place. It's really structured, really great. Doing well. I fit right in line, and I think I'm gonna make some good money, be able to save a lot of money for this trip. And the other job is kind of just picking up the pieces from COVID, like a lot of us are. And I'm able to fit right in. I've been doing restaurants for so long, I can pretty much do anything from dishwashing to managing. So my manager, the owner, is really happy that I'm there. I'm stepping up to the plate, and he's gonna be giving me a promotion the next couple weeks is what it sounds like. I'll keep you guys posted on that. Other than that, I've just been doing a lot of reading, getting ready for the basic keelboat classes. Tell me what you guys think if you've done them before by any chance. I happened to be outside of my house just filming content. I ran into somebody that's taking the classes 2 weeks before me at the same school. So we're probably gonna, his name's Robert, we're probably gonna end up renting boats together later on down the line. That's I don't know, coincidences don't happen, that's for sure. Another thing, just keeping life really structured. This book right here is my entire life. I put all my notes in it, from personal stuff that I need to do, finances, PossiBOLD episodes, anything that I can think of that pertains towards the plan and getting us there. And this is the most useful tool that I have in my arsenal right here. This makes anything possible. The whole concept behind PossiBOLD that I wanted to explain is make it happen, make it bold. But it's not for yourself, it's for others. As a recovering drug addict, before this January when I broke my neck and I relapsed, I had about 5 years of making things possible and making them bold. I went from penniless to having my own place and still dropping things. Marrying Natalia, doing all the lawyer paperwork, things I've mentioned before. But this is just another time that I've fallen this time, and you can pick right back up. It's when you make that decision to make things possible, put in the hard work, make a solid plan, and just keep one foot in front of the other, one day at a time, as some people say it. For us, it's one obstacle at a time, and we'll make things happen. With our financial goals that we set, me working these 2 jobs at the very least, I'll be working the next 7 months. We'll be able to afford a sailboat, plenty of classes, plenty of time to learn, and take a year of travel and do the Pacific puddle jump. Hopefully, meeting great people along the way and sharing our story. And that is something to work for in and of itself. So really, I hope that this impacts at least one person along the way that might be in a similar situation, or maybe has been off drugs for a while and really just doesn't have a focus or something. I know that feeling too. You can do it, and I'm just doing it every single day. I got a long road ahead of me, and I don't even worry about it. Comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate everything, and I'll catch you on the next video. Start doing some outdoor stuff with the GoPro.